In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect missing textures in Blender using Find Missing Files. If you've ever opened a project to find grey or pink materials, that usually means Blender can't locate your texture images. Maybe the project was moved to a new folder or a different drive, or you downloaded it from somewhere and the file path's changed. The good news is Blender has a built-in tool to fix this quickly. Start by heading to the top left corner of Blender and opening the File menu. From there, look for the option called External Data. This submenu is where Blender keeps features related to linking and relinking files outside your .blend file like images and caches. Inside External Data, click on Find Missing Files. As soon as you do, Blender will open a file browser window. This is where you point Blender to the place where your textures actually live. Instead of clicking individual images, select the main folder that contains your texture files. Choosing the top-level folder is important because Blender will search through all its subfolders to find matches for the missing images. If you pick the wrong folder, Blender may not find what it needs, so make sure you're selecting the directory that truly holds your project's image textures. Once you've highlighted the correct folder, look to the top right of the file browser and click the Find Missing Files button. Blender will scan the folder and automatically reconnect any textures with matching file names. If you have multiple files with identical names across different projects, keep in mind that Blender links to the first match it finds, so it's a good practice to keep textures organized per project to avoid mix-ups. With the scan complete, it's time to confirm everything worked. Switch your viewport shading to Material Preview or Rendered mode. You can use the shading icons in the top right of the 3D viewport to do this. As your scene updates, check that your materials look correct and that there are no pink surfaces or missing details. If something still appears off, double check that you chose the correct folder and that the relevant image files are actually inside it. Common formats like PNG and JPEG will relink without any issues, and Blender will keep your material settings and UVs intact. That's all you need to bring your textures back. By using File, External Data, and Find Missing Files, you can quickly repair broken paths and get back to creating without hunting through files one by one.